Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can highlight text in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are writing either a post, an announcement or a chat and you wish to highlight part of your text, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. Now in this method I'm going to chat with this account, and here I'll just go to this text box and paste my text here. As you can see, here we have the text that I wish to send. So you can see we don't have an option to highlight currently. To activate this option to highlight, just go to plus here and choose show formatting options. This will add extra features in your text box. Then you need to go to the text that you wish to highlight. So I'll select this text as the text that I want to highlight. Once you have selected the text, now head over to this icon that is font color and click on it, and here you choose any color that you wish. For instance, I want to highlight this text with green, so if I just click on green and now click outside, you can see the text has been highlighted. Should you want to change the highlight color, you can also just again select that text again, go to it again and choose a different color, and the changes will be effected instantly. Once you're done, now you can send to the contact and they will receive the message with the above text highlighted. So that's how you can highlight text in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.